Founded in 1979, Daqing Electrical Industrial Company Limited was used to make standard spot welding machines, mainly marketed with Taiwan. With years of continuing innovation and quality control, Daqing is capable of providing customers with higher quality productions. Recently, complying with the industrial trend in Taiwan, Daqing moves toward manufacturing fully automatic and semi-automatic spot welding machines to satisfy the needs of its customers. Project type bolt and cap welding machine. Projection type bolt and cap is in a form of plano-centered welding machine that has capabilities of performing horizontally and operates at a 90-degree angle. It also features high processing accuracy, a stable machine body, and a compact structure. Its octagonal cylinder will ensure high operational stability. Miyachi CT110B, a well-known Japanese controller, is used. This AC welding controller can store up to 15 preset welding conditions and 3 welding modes, has a secondary constant current feedback examining each half cycle of the current flow and compensating for changes in the secondary current during the welding processing. Lever air cylinder system is used for the clamping facilities, which will hold workpiece tight and steady for accurate operation.